In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Wise account number and sort code. If you use Wise to hold or receive money, there are times when someone will ask for your UK account number and sort code, for example, to get paid by an employer or to set up a transfer from another bank. I'll walk you through the exact spots to tap in the Wise mobile app, and I'll share a few quick tips so you know you're looking at the right details. First, go to the Wise app on your mobile device and open it. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and that you're signed into your account so everything loads correctly. The screens can look slightly different on iPhone and Android, but the labels are the same. From here, tap Home. This is the main screen of the app and shows your balances and recent activity. If you're somewhere else in the app, look for the Home tab along the bottom. It usually has a little house icon. Landing on Home ensures you're starting from the place where all your currencies and balances are listed. Next, select the currency you need and tap it. If you want a UK sort code and account number, choose your GBP balance. Tapping a currency opens that balance and reveals options related to receiving and moving money in that specific currency. If you hold multiple currencies, take a second to double check you've picked the correct one before proceeding. Now tap on account details. This is a section Wise provides when you want to receive money like a local. Depending on your device, you might see a button that says account details or something close, but it's the same place. Opening it will display the bank style identifiers for the balance you just selected. On this screen, you will see the account number and sort code for your GBP balance. The sort code is a 6-digit number grouped in pairs, and the account number is usually 8 digits. These are the details you can share with a payer in the UK, so they can send you money via local transfer. Take a moment to verify the numbers correspond to the GBP balance you opened. Many phones show a small copy icon next to each field. Tapping it helps you copy the exact numbers without mistakes. For your security, only share these details with trusted parties and avoid posting them publicly. If you don't see account details for a particular currency, check that you've opened the correct balance or reach out to Wise support for clarification.